everybody, welcome back to Chilled Outs Only. Today we are going to be doing yoga for the shoulders. This is a highly requested video. I get a lot of people saying that they have shoulder pain just because of the way that their lifestyle is. Maybe you sit and work at a desk. I know I do, and I'm constantly kind of caving in and hunching over. So this practice is all about opening our shoulders up. Super simple, easy to do. I highly recommend you come back to this one as often as you need. One thing you will need for this practice though is a strap. Now I don't have a strap. If you don't have a strap at home, it's not a big deal. If you have like a bathrobe, and just the tie from your bathrobe will work perfect. If you do have a yoga strap, that also works. Or a band, just something that you can kind of pull nice and taut and tight and work our shoulders with. So we're going to start actually with the band. So you want to hold the band with your wrists flat out in front of you, about shoulder width, maybe a little bit wider than your shoulders. It's just going to feel different and comfortable for you based off of your body. So kind of just find a place that works. And then on our inhales, we're slowly going to reach the band up. And then exhale, pull it down back behind us. So I'm kind of holding my band just a bit outside of my shoulders. And then just move back and forth like that, bringing the band up and down, and then back and over. Letting it come to your lower back. This is shoulder flossing, which is really, really good and healthy for our shoulders. You might find some sticky spots, that's okay. Feel free to move through them as slowly as you want. I'll do about 3 more. Last one. Awesome. You can place your band to the side and we'll just find our way into a tabletop position. And from our tabletop, we'll just go through a couple cat-cows. So inhale, dropping the belly, looking up. Then exhale, round through the spine. Curl in. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, and then exhale, curl. Really feel your shoulders kind of moving down away from your ears, puffing up the back of your chest. Do one more. Awesome, and then we'll slowly begin to find our puppy pose. So begin walking your hands forward, letting your chest melt down to the mat. Keeping your hips up over your knees, you can bring your forehead down to the mat or let your chin rest if you want a little bit more sensation. Toes can be curled under or just flat on the mat, whatever feels good for you. And then breathe into the top of your chest, really expanding it out here, trying to keep a lot of length, a lot of openness. Deep breath in and out. Trying to breathe in and out through the nose. Take one more breath here. Fully exhale. Inhale, push yourself up. Just come all the way down onto your belly. Just take a moment here on our belly. Let your forehead rest in your hands. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, side up through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, side out through the mouth. You're going to extend your right arm out beside you. And then we're just going to take our left hand beside our left shoulder and slowly roll over onto that right shoulder here. You can bring your left foot behind you like a kickstand if that helps, or just leave it resting. Press a little bit into your left palm. Feel that nice opening on your right shoulder. Right hand can stay nice and straight here. And just breathe. And take 2 more breaths here. And slowly rolling back onto our belly. This time we'll bring our right arm, our right palm next to our right shoulder, reach our left arm out. Then we get to roll around to that left side. Again, you might place that left foot behind you like a little kickstand. Sorry, your right foot behind you like a kickstand. Left leg out long. And just open up through your left shoulder now. And take 3 more breaths here. Awesome. We'll roll back onto our belly. pose next. So begin to walk your forearms your forearms onto the mat. Let your elbows be underneath your shoulders. You might sit up like this, or you can drop your head. We're just trying to work towards getting our shoulders to open up through our chest. So try to keep them down and away from the ears, broaden through your chest. Also stretching out the front line of our body here. Becoming aware of our belly pressing on the mat as our inhales fill it up, and then exhales release. Three more breaths here. Slowly begin to push yourself up and back, coming into a closed leg child's pose. Just resting your forehead on the mat, taking a moment here just to acknowledge how you feel now. If there's any difference, you might want to actually even bring your hands back and let your shoulders just relax. So palms face up, arms are by your sides. Curling in here. Using this moment here just to let all of that shoulder work sink in. Coming back to your breath and back to your body. Inhale, slowly roll yourself all the way up. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up overhead. Bring your palms down through heart center. Take a moment here, bow your forehead into your chest. Thinking of one thing that you are truly grateful for in your life and letting that gratitude just sink in and cover you with joy and love and appreciation. Always coming back to love, always coming back to kindness. Whenever you go out or do anything in the world, come back to that sense of gratitude and love and kindness and spread that. The divine light in me honors and acknowledges the divine light in each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.